In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your server is right in MetaTrader5. Making sure you're connected to the correct trading server is essential, because if the server is wrong, your account might not log in properly, you could see incorrect data, or you may not be able to place trades at all. So, in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process, step by step, and explain what to look out for along the way. Start by opening MetaTrader5 on your computer. Once the platform is open and fully loaded, move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This is where you'll find most of the account and connection options you need. From the File menu, select the option that says Log into Trade Account. This is the key place where you can verify and correct your server settings. When you click this, a login window will appear on your screen. In this login window, you'll see fields for your login ID, your password, and the server. The important part for checking your server is that server dropdown or text field. When you open the server list, you should see one or more server names provided by your broker. Make sure you select the server that exactly matches the one your broker told you to use. Often, brokers have different servers for demo and live accounts, so double check that you're choosing the one that corresponds to your specific account type. If you're not sure which server is right, look at the account details your broker gave you, usually in the welcome email or inside your broker's client area. The server name in MetaTrader5 needs to match that information exactly. If the server you need isn't visible, you can try typing it in the field or clicking the option to add or rescan servers, depending on your platform version. Once you've selected the correct server, enter your login ID and password carefully, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the login. MetaTrader5 will attempt to connect using the details you provided. If everything is correct, you should see that your connection status in the bottom right corner shows data flowing, and your account balance and symbols should load properly. If you still can't connect or you see error messages, it's usually a sign that either the server, the login, or the password is incorrect. In that case, go back to this login window, verify the server again, and make sure it matches your broker's instructions exactly. And that's it. By going through the File menu, choosing Log into Trade Account, and carefully following the on-screen prompts, you can confirm that your MetaTrader5 is connected to the right server for your trading account.